Hello, this is Harry Reasoner. As you know, I like talking and arguing about religion. I've been thinking about the topic for many years, and I've come to the conclusion that all the ink that's been spilled in discussions of religion, not to mention the blood, is really quite silly. To me, I think it's nowhere near as complex as some people seem to think it is. I don't think I can put it any more simply than this. The knowledge that humans have of the world they find themselves in is growing. It's growing at an enormous rate, and the growth isn't linear, it's exponential. Not only is it increasing, but the rate at which it is increasing as well. I don't think it requires a mathematical genius to understand this. Some estimates state that human knowledge is currently doubling itself every 8 years. Think about that. The majority of what we know was discovered in your lifetime. And consider this. Of all the scientists in the history of the Earth, 80% of them are living today. Knowledge advances with the addition of new discoveries, but accumulation is just part of the story. Some discoveries are not simply additions, but rather corrections. For instance, it's certain that humans in biblical times had learned that watering crops during dry spells was a good thing. But those same humans thought that leprosy was caused by sin, and that the killing of a bird in an earthen pot under running water was necessary to cure it. They believed something that we now know to be utterly absurd. I have some questions, and I'm serious. I'm sincere. I'm not asking with sarcasm. I'd like you to be objective. That's very important. And I'd really like a response. How can anyone reject this in deference to that? How can anyone believe that this is wrong and this is right? How can anyone suggest that this is void, that it is nonsense, that it's useless because of this?